Hey babe, um, hopefully you watch YouTube, so maybe you could see this. Just letting you know that I miss you so much, and I can't wait for you to be home soon, and I love you, and I'm working everything out, and everything's gonna be okay, I promise. Um, you're still my sexy bad puppy, no matter what. I can't wait for you to be here with me, holding me and kissing me and being next to me. I don't know, things are just weird right now, and it's hard without you. Just want everybody to know that I do love you, and I'm not going to give up on us. I want you to know that too. You've been gone for 8 months, almost 9 months. I hope you see this, and I hope you like it. I love you. Bye.